In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, and this time select Font Settings at the bottom. Finally, operate this slider to adjust your font size and check out Preview at the top. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!